2 weeks ago, ang pace ko is 9:48. Ngayon, 8:16 at the same heart rate. Kumusta kapatid? It's Grit J, share my journey one day at a time. And today is Monday, June 15, 2026. And we are supposed to run a 6-kilometer easy aerobic. So 140, 145. So I'm very excited to try the new form. Not gonna be overdoing it. Easy lang, relaxed lang. I wanna save my legs for tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow is gonna be intervals. So that's the plan. Alright. Great weather. And I am so freaking late. Anong oras na? 4 o'clock na. I need to start immediately. Maaga sana ako kanina. 3 o'clock, palis na ako. Kaso, biglang kumulo yung tiyan ko. At least sa bahay pa ako when that happened. Anyway, now is 6-kilometer easy. Easy. Remember, easy kasi hindi ako pwedeng magaling ngayon eh. Dahil bukas is gonna be a hard run. Intervals. So, and kailangan ko muna palang mag-warm up ng matindi. Dahil rest day kahapon, I'm sure masakit ang paa ko today. For some reason, ganyan yung trend ng paa ko. After a rest day, sakit siya. Hindi naman mukhang uulan. Medyo lang kasi parang walang araw. Pero mukhang kalulubog lang ng araw eh. I'll see you later. Alright, so today's run was great. Kaso lumindol pala. Hindi natin, I'm not sure kung kailan naglindol, kung nung tumatakbo ba ako or nung cool down na, walking cool down. But anyway, surprisingly, walang masakit sa paa. Since nag-rest day kahapon, no? Everything was normal. I was able to run. Nung umpisa, medyo awkward yung form kasi hindi ko pa siya talaga 100% na ma-master. And then, after a few 100 meters, nandyan na, okay na. Bumalik na tayo sa ating yung inaaral na form. However, last 2 kilometers or last 3 kilometers, may na-adjust na naman ako. Kasi I was running on hips na, diba? But this time, tinry ko na parang i-lift yung knees. As soon as I did that, parang mas mabilis ako. Parang mas mabilis ako naging issue ko lang is parang medyo umangat din yung heart rate. Bumilis pero umangat yung heart rate. Pero we're still in, I can say easy. Nasa easy pa rin tayo, no? And let's check. Nung chinek ko yung ating result, there you go. So, 6 kilometers. Natapos natin yung run ng 49 minutes, 37 seconds. And kung makita nyo yung ating splits, it was easy. Ito na siguro yung 4 km going to 5 and 6. Yung medyo inisip ko na yung ililift yung tuhod. So, medyo nagulo na naman yung isip ko. And I think nakadagdag din sa heart rate yung ganun, yung parang consciously sinusubukan mong igulo yung katawan mo ng hindi, basta ang hirap i-explain. But then, bumilis, pero hindi ako nahirapan. The run was easy. Walang masakit sa paa ko so far ewan ko lang pagbaba ko ng kotse after the run. Tapos si Kuya Kim. And man, 2 weeks ago, at the same heart rate. Gusto nyo makita yung resulta 2 weeks ago. Look at that. 2 weeks ago, ang pace ko is 9:48. Ngayon, 8:16 at the same heart rate. Natapos ko yung run ng 49 minutes, 37 seconds. Dati, tinatapos ko siya ng 58 minutes, 48 seconds. Dahil lang sa form, sa running form. So, yeah. I'm still gonna work on it tomorrow. Habang tuloy-tuloy tayo, I'm gonna work on the form and hopefully walang injury. And yeah, I think mas wala siyang injury kasi if I am going to explain it like this yung dati kong run, alam mo yung when you're kicking a ball, kunyari soccer, when you're kicking a ball, you're lifting your whole legs from the bottom. I was jogging my legs. Ngayon, ginamit ko yung hips and then the knee, imbis na you are dragging your legs like that, you are lifting your legs from the knee. And sobrang ginhawa niya, wala siyang masyadong effort. Yun din siguro yung reason kung bakit sumasakit yung aking hip. Hindi ko pa sure ha, malalaman ko mamaya kung may sasakit o wala, and then I can report maybe tomorrow. Gusto ko naman tumakbo bukas. I'm so excited. Anyway, yeah, I guess that's it. Maraming salamat for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys on the next one.